Hey, it's Ron with this new coil build here. It's a twisted 24 gauge sitting on the Mutation X version 2 by Indulgence. See in there. Just a single coil. It's a single coil twisted. I believe it's 12. I think it's 12 wraps. Spun on this Mutation X version 2. It's at 0.63 ohms, 50 watts. Just kind of do a dry burn. You can see yeah, they said that's on 50 watts. Up to 0.65 it changes, but alright, that's all I wanted. Right now, looks like 0.56. There we go, 50 watts. At the it's my only liquid I made here. I think that was about 5 drops. And let's see if we can get it back on there. Got this side completely closed off, and this side completely opened. So, see what it is. See if we can get a better. There's a 4.5 second pull there. Let's adjust this again. Here we go. It's just amazing how much that twisted 24 gauge makes the bait so much better. That was just a 2-second pull there. Excuse me, 2-second pull there. Get another. One of the setting times, overtime protection. Just, I'll show you here. Change that down to 2-second pull. $50 watts. It's going to do a 2-second pull. It's not a bad coil. I love building them. This was built on this drill bit here, which is I think it's 7/64 drill bit. These are Black & Decker drill bit set, a 10-piece. I think it was like $7. I got off of Amazon. Got my own organic cotton here. And vaping it on the Kamry 180. So we can get there we go, Kamry 180. And I don't know if I've got it unlocked. Let's see. Super mode. Now let me go all the way up to 180 watt. Maybe. Let's see what it goes to. We got it at 180 watts, 10.1 volts. Oh, let's add some more juice here and set ourselves on fire. Oh. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. Got it fully open again. And let's see what it does. I'll probably choke. Oh. Yeah, I couldn't even get a whole second off that one. Yeah, that's about half a second. Oh man, yeah. Forget that 180. Let's drop it down to 100. See what that does. Right there's just a 1 second pull. Love this box. Let's drop her back down to 50. I like it at 50. As you can see, the ohms there have changed. 0.53. As soon as I hit that 180 watt, it dropped down to 0.51, and yeah, 180 watts jumps craziness. All right, have a good one, guys.